I'm Robert Modic, Technical Sales Support at Yaskawa Slovenia, Robotic Division. I have 10-year experience in industrial applications with emphasis in computer vision. The challenge in this case study is adaptive robotic TIG welding of big stainless steel parts up to 2.5 meters in diagonal. A broad spectrum of part types and sizes exists. A flexible solution for quick introduction of new part geometries is required. The solution features robot on a gantry that commutes between two work zones with one L positioner each. Production volume is small and does not justify the use of dedicated jig for each part type to ensure welding path repeatability sufficient for TIG. Part clamping is highly simplified. Tack welds are used for part assembly prior to welding. Because of this, overall geometry variations between consecutive parts fall within 20 mm range, whereas sufficient joint system precision for TIG welding is 0.3 mm. Machine vision system is used for adaptation of welding paths during welding, also called seam tracking. Since parts are used in chemical, pharmaceutical and food industry, their geometry is highly organic to enable easy and thorough cleaning. Consequently, high percentage of zero gap, no mismatch, butt seams is common. After extensive market research, we established existing seam tracking solutions fell short roughly tenfold to compensate for geometry deviations and offer the level of detail required for gapless butt seam detection. Because of this and our previous experience in the field, we could design, develop and implement custom seam tracking solution called MotoSense. Solution consists of triangulation imaging module mounted ahead of the torch. It is connected to processing cabinet where application software resides. It uses novel approach to zero gap detection to fully comply with requirements. While module is imaging the seam, application analyzes data in real time and sends detected positions to the robot via TCP to perform automatic seam tracking. This eliminates the need for manual path correction and can speed up welding operation stage several times. Customer benefited from flexible adaptive welding system, reduced labor cost, increased cell productivity, reduced manual repair, post-welding operation grinding, and improved aesthetics. With MotoSense, Yaskawa gained a modular machine vision solution platform. Measurement range, precision, speed, software functionality can easily be applied to other areas where adaptive behavior is paramount. Adaptive laser welding, weld inspection, robot guidance for picking.